This is impressive. All right, 2021 Hyundai Veloster N with the 8-speed DCT, mostly stock, 245 Continental Extreme Contact Sport 2s. Other than that, you know, some oiling and some stainless steel brake lines stock. We've got this in N mode. Nice quick shifts. I like how sudden and aggressive these are. Brakes are feeling super solid.
What's that?
Overcooked that. This is wild, the way it's putting down power though on corner exit.
Yeah.
This is impressive. Is traction control off?
No, it's on.
Are we able to put it in sport mode?
I can take it off if you'd like.
Yeah, let's do that.
There you go. Traction control is off.
Thank you.
I think ESC is still on, but in sport mode as well.
Okay. Dude, great pedal feel. I'm not sure if it's stock like this or it's the stainless steel brake lines, but it's feeling nice.
You like the braking?
Yeah, man, it's like great height and really solid feeling. You can really modulate it easily. Oh, a little bit of torque steer there with the undulation, but for the most part, I'm not getting much torque steer. It was really impressive because we got 275 horsepower to the wheels. Yeah, the way this thing claws for grip, super impressive. That LSD working some magic. Getting a little bit, if I'm not shifting right before red line, really feel that cutoff. User error, not the car.
Did you just get like a fuel cut?
Yeah.
Well, I now know without a shadow of a doubt that the next mod for my car will be a driver mod. For a long time.
Yeah, if you gave me a few more laps, we could eke out a lot more time from this car. I'm still getting used to it.
I feel like you'd be squeezing.
But this thing is very capable. It's like super planted. The suspension is really dialed in. The LSD is working magic. I mean, the way that this and the Civic Type R can just claw for grip is really impressive. You're not getting that wheel spin. Even in corners where you're demanding a lot of it, brakes are great. The DCT is actually really sharp, really a pleasure to use. I'm normally, I love manuals, but this thing is great, man.
I'm glad you like it. I am amazed.
Yeah, I normally don't enjoy front-wheel drive vehicles as much when I push them, but this is really dialed in. Quite well. Is this a shorter wheelbase than the Elantra?
I'm not sure. I think slightly.
Okay, I wonder because it feels like it might be a little more nimble, but that Elantra N I drove was only one lap at Road America. It wasn't even a full lap. It was like part of a lap.
I have to imagine because this may have a back seat, but it's like a 3-door, you know?
Oh, yeah, right.
I imagine the Elantra's got to be longer.
Yeah, even under braking, you can get it to move around a little bit, which is nice.
It's not just stuck in a straight line?
Yeah, like, I it's not as trail brake happy as something like the DC2 Integra I drove a month ago.
Okay.
But it's lively enough. Alright, a quick first impression of the Hyundai Veloster N. If we had a little more track time, we'll be able to push the times a little bit and also have a little more insight. But first impressions, I would say, really strong vehicle, especially for a first timer. Front wheel drive, a lot easier to control. You're not going to get into as much trouble versus a rear wheel drive vehicle. And yeah, man, I mean, I think straight from factory, this is dialed in a very impressive way. Your pressures are a little bit high.
I was going to say my oil temps are up at 260 there for a second too.
Okay, yeah, so by the way, this is also a super cool feature that you have the modularity,
yeah,
of all the different data points. You can, you know, put whatever you need when you're on track. That's super awesome. Your tires, you also want to let out a little bit of air. I'm not sure the extreme context, but 35 hot is a good ballpark to aim for.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna tell you right now, I don't think I got them. I let them down to 31 cold, and I could not get them that hot.
Okay.
You're driving it better. You're driving it better than I am, is what I'm saying.
And there's still, well, there's definitely a lot of improvement for my driving from those couple laps.
I could probably take a couple of PSI out.
I would say
for my driving.
Yeah, you want to tailor to your driving though. So if you let out too much air, it'll be, that's a good point you raised. It might be too low.
Yeah.
All right, my friends, let me know what you think of the Hyundai Veloster N. Comment down below. If you want more track videos, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.